These autumn pumpkins will sell like hotcakes. Stick around and I'll show you how to build them. Starting off with a couple of runners that have been out in my garden that are cracked, damaged and full of nails. I was actually at the point of looking to get rid of these, and I decided to see if there's any bits of wood I could save off of them, and that's where the idea of this project came in. I removed any nails that are sort of in the way that I could use, and then now just chopping them down. So off of those two runners, as you can see, I didn't get too much wood off of them, roughly about the same size on both pieces. And obviously we cut this into 3 lots. There's a bit of sap there, but hopefully when I do the diagonals on them, that you won't notice it. And yeah, now just cutting this down to make the 3 sizes. And yeah, there you go. Easy as that. Just give them a quick brush and clean to remove any loose debris, and then I will hit it with a sander later. Moving this across to put some angle cuts on them. It is currently set at 22.5, and yeah, I obviously want to have a flat top and bottom as well. It can stand up. So I'm only moving a little bit. I'm using the pencil to mark on the Mitre Saw where the edge of the wood goes. Went out of my garden and found a stick and cut it up into 3 sections, and then I lost the footage, but I drilled a hole in the top of each one that will fit the stick in. Then I give all of them a sand, and now it's on to painting. So I chose white for the small one. Big one I chose as orange or dark orange, and then because I had extra paint left over, I mixed the white and the orange together. It just gives it this sort of very light orange colour. Which I think is a nice contrast between the 3 colours. I've grabbed my heat gun just to speed up the process of drying, and then yeah, so I just keep going around until it dries. Then I'm going to grab a sand disc, and then I can try and sand these back just to remove any high spots off of it, and then give it a nice nice smooth sort of finish. This had 2 coats on the front and back. Nice pumpkin orange there. Again, hitting them with the heat gun, make them nice and dry, and hitting them with the sandpaper again. So I'm happy with them. And then I'm just using a hot glue gun to glue them in. Nice, quick and easy. And now to finish off, I just need to add some of this stuff around the top. And I was originally thinking string, which didn't look very good, but this stuff looks pretty good. And it's just a lot of messing around to try and find a sort of pattern that I liked, but eventually got there in the end. These are now complete. What do you think? And they've come out great. Thank you for watching this far through, and let me know down in the comments what you think of these. You know, these are made from a piece of 2 runners off of a pallet that was cracked and full of nails that I was at the point of getting rid of. But I've managed to get a little bit of wood out of it and turn it into this great project. I would charge about £20 for this on my stall, and you could mix it up. You could add a few more accessories if you wanted to, or put some writing on them, or even put pumpkin faces on them. I liked how this one still has the pallets and the palette information on it, just as a nice touch to it. And yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this pumpkin build, I've got queued up another one right here for you. And I do a lot of Etsy build breakdown videos. I've got a playlist for them right here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.